More is unknown that is known about dark energy and dark matter. Dark energy makes up to 70% of the universe, while dark matter makes up to 27%. The rest, everything including our solar system and star, adds up to approximately 3 to 5%. So, what exactly is dark energy and dark matter, and why it is still mystery to us? Well, let's find out. Scientists have not yet observed dark matter directly. It doesn't interact with boronic matter and it is completely invisible to light and other form of electromagnetic radiation, making dark matter impossible to detect with current instruments. But astrophysicists are confident it exists. Because of gravitational effect it appears to have on galaxies and galaxy cluster. For example, according to simple physics, stars at the edge of spiral galaxy should travel more slower than those in closer to galactic centers where galaxies' visible matter is concentrated. But the recent observations have shown that the stars orbiting anywhere in the galaxies are traveling at the same speed. Many scientists believe that the dark matter did not interact with light but can still exert a gravitational pull. Up till early 1990s, many scientists and physicists believed that universe is slowing down as the time passed due to the presence of gravity. But in 1998, Hubble Space Telescope's observations have shown that instead of slowing down, universe is actually accelerating. So what exactly was causing such kind of opposite action? Today it is believed that accelerated expansion of universe is due to some kind of repulsive force generated by quantum fluctuation in otherwise empty space. This force is called as dark energy. Albert Einstein was the first person to realize that empty spaces is not nothing. Einstein denoted these empty spaces by cosmological constant in his gravity theory. Along with that, many scientists think dark energy as a fluid which is fifth and previously unknown type of fundamental force called as quintessence. Now that we know dark energy is a known cosmological constant, we surely are close to solve the mystery of dark energy and dark matter. This discovery will lead us to much more interesting mysteries of the universe.